Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing the UGREEN 2-in-1 adapter. It is a USB-C to 3.5mm audio and USB-C charging adapter. So let me unbox this now and show you what it looks like inside. So what you get inside is some manuals, some user instruction manuals of where to connect it and how to connect it. You've also got another little manual for the 2-in-1 audio adapter, which you can see here. Okay, and in the box, this is the adapter from what you can see. So I'll take it out, and the good thing about this is it's magnetic. So let's say if you put your adapter to your phone, you connect it to your phone, you can either connect to your headphones or another USB-C headphone. You can also connect this to laptops, to Macs, anything that needs a USB-C connection. So for example, if this end goes into your phone, you can also listen to music, and then you can also charge it at the same time. So I think this product is very good. I'm going to try it out and see how it is, and yeah, so yeah, if you guys are interested, please click on the affiliate Amazon link in the description below, and yeah, it's a pretty good piece of kit.